Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to get Checkra1n jailbreak on your iOS and Android device. Yes, your Android device too. It could be used on Android to help out with the iOS jailbreak process. This is really simple, guys. It is a really cool jailbreak. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get it. It is super simple. So let's hop right into this. So the first thing you want to do if you're an iOS user is head over to settings. You want to click general and then background app refresh. Click background app refresh again and make sure Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled right there, okay? And then we can go off, and then whether you're Android or iOS, just go to a separate browser or something. And you want to type in tweakville.co. So tweakville.co. So you type that in and it's going to bring you to this site where there's a cloud and that has like a bunch of list of apps. So you're not going to see Checkra1n jailbreak right when you get on screen here. So you just want to go to the search bar, or you can scroll down if you want, but I prefer the search bar. You're going to type in just a few letters, check, right there. So you're going to click on it. It says Tedesco Checkra1n jailbreak. Download Checkra1n jailbreak for free on your iOS or Android device. Click it and you want to press start injection. So right now it's just starting the injection and it's doing the background process of telling your phone that it's downloading another app, but in reality it's downloading the jailbreak into your phone, because obviously Apple won't allow you to just straight up jailbreak your phone without having going through a process. So this is hiding it through other apps. So basically you're going to have to download 2 apps and run them for about 30 seconds so the software can get onto your phone in order to actually jailbreak it. So after the injection is completed, it's going to bring you to this little screen right here. And again, you just have to download 2 apps. I'll go ahead and download Mercari. Bring it right to the App Store. Just go ahead and download that. And you guys might have completely different apps than me, depending on your country or your location, whatever, your phone. It doesn't matter which 2 you choose. I'm just choosing the 2 that are most accessible to me because I don't feel like scrolling down. I'm a little bit lazy, but you know, it's okay. I just think this is really cool. I had to show this to you guys. So after those 2 are installed, just open the first one and again run it for about 30 seconds. That's all you have to do. You don't have to press any buttons. I mean, you can if you want, but you know, I'm not gonna sign up for this crap right here. I'm just gonna leave it running for about 30 seconds. After you've done that, you can go ahead and close out of the first app and go into the second application you've downloaded. Go ahead and run that for 30 seconds. Again, you don't have to touch anything. You can if you want, but you don't have to, okay? So after you've ran that for about 30 seconds, no less, you can close off the app, and then Checkra1n jailbreak should be on your phone right there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If it did not work for you, you may have to go through the process once again, because sometimes the injection behind the apps that you download may get revoked and they still might be on other apps. So you might just want to try it again, maybe with different apps, or you just did the process wrong. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.